Kara used to be stressed. But her aura's been different lately. It's been very positive, now that she's upgraded to Bluetooth-controlled Aura Smart Lock. She used to wonder whether the dog walker had actually showed up. Now she knows exactly when Scruffles got walked, which means no surprises in the house. No more hiding keys for carpet cleaners. And no more wondering whether they still have those keys. Now she knows exactly how late Olivia was out while Mom and Dad were gone. And exactly which aunt will be staying with Olivia the next time Mom and Dad are traveling. Upgrading to Aura is so simple that anyone can do it. No surprises. The Aura Bluetooth Smart Lock gives you control of your door with your smartphone. It's as simple as that. Aura Bluetooth Smart Lock from Kwikset. Smart starts at the door.